Hello, James Manning here, founder of Real Income Club, and I want to give you a huge welcome to your back office and to the program. Excited to have you. Look forward to working with you. And this video is just to kind of help you get started on the right foot quickly. You can look through this page, and if you do so and click here to start, that's fine. The first two things you may notice, though, looking at this page, is that you need to talk to your sponsor, which is that's very important. We'll do that in a moment. And that you need to enter your phone number. So if you clicked here, or you can go here to start, this is step-by-step instructions. And the very first one, as you see, is enter your phone number. So let's click that, and I'll tell you exactly why we want to go ahead and do that now. Use the format provided there, and then click update. After you do so, this allows your sponsor to call you instantly. When you completed your sign up, you received an email, clicked the link in it, you verified that email address, they were notified that you're in Real Income Club now. So now they can log in on their cell phone. Now that you've entered your phone number, click the number, and then they can go and talk to you and get you on the way and set up with an overview and enrolled. The other option is what I'll show you on the instructions page again. So let's go right back here, number two, and that is number two is all about contacting your sponsor or being connected to your sponsor. So your sponsor, as I just said, could call you. They could also email you. Let's say you're ready now and you just want to go ahead and let them know you're ready. Well, the easiest and best way to contact them is to click this link, and then it opens a page, and you're going to click contact that person's name. That way you will know exactly who is your sponsor. You'll see their name right there. Enter your first, last name, middle, email address, and mobile number, country, and then please contact me. That lets them know instantly they need to contact you. So they have two ways of knowing that they need to contact you. After you have gone through the overview with them, they've got you enrolled, they will let me know, and I will open this space here for you. You will enter your personal link, which will display there on everyone that you refer. So now that we have completed this, we're going to click here. This will just take us real quickly to the next step, which was number 3 in the instructions page. So this is autoresponder setup. Now this is important because we have capture pages built into the promo tools, and they are connected to autoresponder service called trafficwave.net if you're not familiar with it already. If you're using another autoresponder, well, I highly recommend trafficwave.net, basically because of the value and the first class affiliate program. If you're not using autoresponders at all, you really need to work on building your list, and I recommend, as I said, trafficwave.net has unlimited everything at one low price, unlimited campaigns, unlimited list, and unlimited subscribers. So once you have logged into your trafficwave.net back office, you need to set up a campaign, and you'll need letters for the autoresponder series. Well, I've already created all the letters for you. So step 1 and 2 here has video instructions to do exactly that. After you've completed step 1 and step 2, step 3 tells you that you'll go to the configuration page and enter these two vitally important pieces of information so that your autoresponder and capture page works correctly. Now, I already know what my TrafficWave username is. The Real Income Club that you see written there in red is the campaign nickname that we used in number 1 up top in the video number 1 to set up the campaign. So I'm going to double click and copy, and then we're going to go straight to the page, and this takes us right to the space we need to be on this page. It's the configuration page. My username at trafficwave.net, and then the campaign nickname, and click update. Okay, now we can go back to the instructions page again to see if there's anything else we need to do. So we're now down to number 6, and it says don't forget to upload your photo. So we can click right here, and it'll take us right to the spot where we upload our photo. Just click browse, select the correct photo, and click upload. If you ever want to change that in the future, you can do so. Just delete and then go back through that process again. Now we've already set up the autoresponder, so we don't need to do that again. If you go back to instructions, the last thing that you see listed is promote. So let me show you a couple things on the promotion page, and then you can be off and running on your own. If you had not set up your photo yet, there's a little reminder there, and it'll take you right to it. But there is your referral link. I highly recommend you using the splash and capture links instead. You also have banners below. There'll be some email copy, etc. Number 1 on the splash page that you see right here, if you click that, this is the capture page. This is the page that I use more than anything. It has my photo, so people that see me online or know me see that I'm recommending this program, they're more likely to consider it because they see my photo there. And there's the information and the capture form for them to complete. You also have, this is just a basic splash page with a banner. There is also a splash page with the banner and your photo. And there is a capture page if you prefer not to have your photo. That way you won't have a little spot there. It looks like there needs to be something that's missing. You can use this one if you prefer not to have your photo seen on your promotion. So everything is ready for you to go. It's ready for you to build an income that I believe is the most sustainable. Then because it's, as we talked about before, so it's things that people need and use every single day. There's no need to worry about whether they're going to not need it tomorrow, because it's things that they use. So I'm excited about this. I hope you are, and I hope this has helped you get a good start. I went about 2 minutes over what I wanted to. If you need anything, use the support function here, and I will quickly get back to you, or contact your sponsor. That's the best and most productive way of getting help. Hope you have a great day. Look forward to working with you.